Hey, math detectives. Welcome to Number Sleuths, the show where you get to crack the case using the power of math. Today, we've got 3 mystery numbers, each hiding behind a series of clues. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, figure out the numbers before I reveal the answers. Grab a pencil and paper and let's dive in. Okay, mystery number 1. I'm thinking of a number between 20 and 40. Here are your clues. It's an even number. It's a multiple of 8. The sum of its digits is 5. Think you've got it? Lock in your answer in the comments. Quick! No, the answer is 32. It's even. It's a multiple of 8 and 3 plus 2 equals 5. Ready for mystery number 2? This one's a bit trickier. It's a 2-digit number. It's less than 50. It's a square number. Its square root is an odd number. Drop your guesses below. The answer is 49. It's less than 50. 7 times 7 is 49. And 7 is an odd number. Did you get it? Final round. Let's make this one a challenge. It's a 2-digit number. The digits add up to 10. If you reverse the digits, this number becomes 36 more than it originally was. Last chance to prove you're a number super sleuth. Got it? The answer is 37. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Reverse it. You get 73. 73 minus 37 equals 36. Sneaky, right? So, how many did you get right? Let me know in the comments, and if you beat me to the answers, then I salute you. I dare say you may have a future in math detective work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more brain busters. Until next time.